So in today's lesson, you are going to cut out 6 people and you're going to write above them, yes, if you think they are an explorer, could, if they could be an explorer, and no, not an explorer at all. I'm just going to show you how to do that. So we'll start nice and easy. Here is Neil Armstrong, and we all know something about Neil Armstrong because we did a creative curriculum lesson about him. Okay, I think, yes, Neil Armstrong is an explorer. Now, the next thing I need to do is I need to justify why I think he's an explorer. Well, this is what I think. This is why I think he is an explorer. And this is my justification. I think Neil Armstrong was sent on a mission. Well, he was sent by NASA, wasn't he? And his mission was to set foot in a place no other human being had been before. Now, in addition to this, he also helped the whole of the human race to extend their understanding of the moon. Okay, so I think, yes, he's an explorer, and I've justified why I think that. All right, but I'm going to try somebody different now. Now this man, Charles Pete Conrad, well, this man was the 3rd man to walk on the moon. Now, he wasn't with Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. He came a few years after. So I did my research a little bit. So, do I think, yes, an explorer? Do I think could be an explorer? Or do I think, no, he's not an explorer at all because Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, they went to the moon. And he's just going back to the moon. Is he exploring it? Well, this is what I think. I think he could be an explorer. We could say that he was an explorer. And I'm going to justify it now because even though Neil Armstrong was the first person to set foot on the moon, Charles Conrad's mission would have been very different. He and his team would have set foot in maybe a different part of the moon with a different mission altogether. So again, he would be finding out things that no other person knew about the moon. So I think he could be an explorer. So I've justified my responses. Now, in front of you, you have 6 pictures with some information about each one. I want you to stick them either under yes, an explorer, could be an explorer, or no, not an explorer at all. Remember, you must justify your answers. Good luck.